Let's go. Boss up, baby. Boss up, baby. We're talking about 3 network partners. Network partners meaning that they offer loads, offer work, offer different types of services for couriers all over the country, not just in one area, but of course, with limited geographic, they might not be in every pocket of the country, but they are in mostly all pockets. They do last mile delivery, medical courier work. They work with operators, owner operators. They work with new drivers. They work with drivers who don't have their own equipment. They work with drivers who do have their own equipment. So these 3 companies are going to get you paid, going to get you rolling in the courier space. So come on in, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and pluck the notification bell. This is the first partner we're going to talk about. Is National Logistics Network. Address ship and that is the website. So now you Jay Breezy, what up, homie? Let's get it. So this National Logistics Network, what they do, service all industries. See the guy with his own van. They do same day courier service, big freight with trucks, small freight, store things in the warehouse, they ship things in the air. They are the go-to network for shipping. And then industries they serve, aerospace, medical, all that good stuff. Meet the team, but we're here to get paid. Let's talk about the company. Now you can become a carrier. Carrier, you have to have your own business forms. You have your own place to store items before they get shipped, and then you ship them out. So that's a carrier. Most of you guys are technically kind of carriers, but you mostly want to come here where it says become a driver. You're going to come in and start making money up to $2,000 or more a week. Owner operators, if you got your own van, looking to roll. Now they don't specify what types of vehicles they're looking for on here, or if any vehicles disqualify you. Of course, they have a cargo van right here. Cargo vans are the #1 most used transportation medium across this country. What I'm seeing right now, box trucks have limitations as far as gas and weight, and as far as where they can dock up to. But box trucks can kind of fit in different places. Even if they're not dock high, they can always get a forklift to load items on there. They can hold about 2 or 3 pallets. So box trucks are the wave. I definitely want you guys, if you are not box trucks, but cargo vans are the wave. If you guys are interested in purchasing equipment, I would go the cargo van route. Simply because insurance is cheaper. Requirements for DOT and MC are not the same, especially if you're staying in state or staying local, and the insurance is lower as well. So things to kind of weigh upon. But if you do get the box trucks do pay out more. But like I said, you're gonna be paying more in insurance, spending more in gas, and then larger loads may need 2 team people, so you have to hire some help to kind of move some stuff around. So just be mindful on that. All right, so give y'all some game. We got Ship NIN, the first network partner. Go ahead and hit that like button. Give me some love out here. Giving you this free game. We got this website here for owner operators. They're looking for people, and they're paying bi-weekly. You're 1099, so no taxes taken out. You're gonna have to do that on the back end. They won't no smoking in the vans, but you're driving your own equipment, so how they gonna tell you what you can do in your own spot? But I guess you show up to the warehouse smelling like smoke, they can fire you. So I wouldn't advise on doing that. And they do want to see an MVR the past 5 years. No major violations. Vehicle must be no more than 10 years old. Now that will be a problem for a lot of people. A lot of people have vehicles that's older than 10 years. Doesn't really make sense, but that's their rules, that's their requirements. So if that's what they want, then that's what you gotta do for them. All right, so what up everybody? Let's get it back on the screen here. So if you want to come here, apply online, being an independent contractor. I filled this out this morning, waiting for them to get back with me. I'm just gonna give them a call right after this live and see what's going on. I see they're in PA, East Coast, so they should be opening up around 9:30. So I'm gonna definitely give them a call. Oh, live, can y'all hear me okay? I'm using a new microphone. I Got this new little microphone here, trying it out. How's my sound? Let me know. Let me know if the sound quality is good, better, or equal on some of my lives. Ty Thomas, I know you always checking me out, so let me know how the sound is, my brother. All right. But there, that is the advanced logistics. I'm sorry, that's the third one. This is ship in now logistics. So fill out this information and submit. I'm going to call them back and see if they got my application right after this live. Appreciate you, Lionel. Appreciate you, Lionel. All right, so next we got Tonquin. Now, I talked about this network partner before on this channel. I did a dedicated video going back 2 years now. And what's so funny about Tonquin, I signed up for them when I first got my van in 2022. And they did not call me back to start working for them until last month. Almost a year and a half later of signing up, contacting them, sending them emails, getting replies back, say, hey, you're signed up. We're just waiting to open up in your market, blah. And they finally got an email last month and saying, hey, we're ready to get you rolling. So what I do with Tonquin, they do mainly auto parts delivery all over the country. So they have partnerships with different warehouses, mostly tire warehouses, some small auto part delivery. And then they send you out a batch of orders or deliveries to your phone in the morning, maybe 3 or 4 orders, deliveries. You pick it up from a warehouse, drop them off, and then come on back, or that's it for the day. So that's how Tonquin works. Like I said, network. So once you get into the network, no matter where you are in the country, they are going to allow you to do what you need to do. So pick up those auto parts, get to the bag, get to the money, and then just drop them off and then keep it moving. This Tonquin works primarily off of apps. So if you have an app, have a smartphone, download the app, and you get the orders right from the app, and you keep it moving. Real simple. All right. So that's what we're talking about on here. Shout out to everybody that's going live with us on TikTok. We're talking about how to get these courier positions here in America, how to get rolling all over the country, and how you can make $2,000 a week by simply driving the car you have, or if you want to purchase a cargo van or box truck, holla at me. I'll teach you how to build your business credit up to get to the money. All right, so that is 2 partners down. First, we talked about National Logistics Network. This company is a national company that does last mile delivery. You can come right up here, hit opportunity, become a driver, and you're all set. And then next, we got Tonquin. And then lastly, the last one we're going to talk about today is Advanced Networks. And we're going to get the Advanced Networks popping. Form here, and this is for advanlogixnet.com. I'm going to put the link for this down in the description for you guys. But this one does, if you do have an MC or DOT applicable, not necessary, not required, but if you do have it, you will get more loads, will get picked up a lot faster. And then, like I said, local truck delivery, final mile. Most final mile stuff are done in cars, SUVs, and box trucks or cargo vans. So that's what you guys want to pick up on, the final mile delivery or local truck delivery. All right, so come on here, fill out this form, and get rolling. And you can see all the different clients that they work with. Here's all the national different carriers that they work with. So depending on where you are in the country, they can contact these, and then these countries will give you work, give you loads. All right, so that's how this thing works. Like I said, it's good for local movement and over the road work. You dig? So these 3 partners offer for you guys. That's what these 3 partners can do for you. Go ahead, sign up, get rolling. Like I said, I haven't driven with them. I just found out the information very recently by doing more research, trying to figure out what I can bring to you guys nationally. So many of these companies work in specific regions or specific states, but I feel like I can bring you guys content, if I can bring you guys people or companies that offer work all around the country, all around the USA, then you guys will be benefited and you can get paid big bucks, big money. You smell me? All right, so that is what it is. Let's go ahead and do a recap like we always do on these lives. We talked about National Logistics Network, become a carrier or you become a driver. This is the carrier section. Carriers, like I said, you're going to have larger insurance. obligations. A lot. You have to have your MCDOT. But if you just come here and be a driver, you do not need your MC or DOT and all that information. You can still get rolling and get into the money early in the morning. Tonquin is another one, primarily with auto parts delivery. Come here, sign up as a driver, and then enter your information. And you can see they are, the drop down box never works, but you can see a lot of the places they are: Boston, Raleigh, North Carolina, West Palm Beach, Atlanta. So they are in a lot of areas as well. And I don't have a referral code. I need to see about getting a referral code for Tonquin, get you guys rolling. But it's a great opportunity. This one, like I said, this guy just delivers stuff.
The selector at the bottom of the screen to the right, making sure that it's green. Now you're ready to complete on-demand deliveries. When an on-demand delivery is requested, you will see the request at the top of your screen in red. If you want to see the details and accept the job, simply tap on-demand request at the top of your screen. On this screen, you will see a total distance, job length, and how much you will earn. You will also see a map showing your location with the blue dot and pins for the pickup and drop-off locations. You will even get a pickup location name and address. Tapping details at the top of the screen, you will see both the pickup and the delivery location addresses. If the job looks right, just tap accept. You can also decline if there's an on-demand delivery that you don't want to do or to be further notified of. You can see all of your delivery details by tapping the Manifest tab at the bottom of your screen. It's the second tab on the left that looks like a calendar. Note that on this tab, you can also see how many deliveries that you've made this week and your full balance owed to you. You can also see how many deliveries you have scheduled by the red numbered notification. We will provide all of your open deliveries for you, with the first being a priority red number 1. To begin your next delivery, tap the details of priority 1 delivery. You can use Google Maps to get you to your location by tapping Get Directions. Google Maps will open automatically and immediately route you.
So you see how smooth the process is once you get your route. Google Maps, directs you everywhere, just like Uber Eats, DoorDash, any other gig app. That's why I like Tonquin. It's a lot smooth. It's very familiar, very intuitive to what you guys are already using with these gig apps. So try that out. Try Tonquin out first. Definitely if it's in your area. Like I said, small towns, it's very hard to find work in these small towns. But these national networks, if they don't have a partner in a large area, large city, they may have more partners in smaller cities that's kind of surrounding the large ones or kind of going out. So don't worry if you do not see something in your area. Still sign up. A lot of times they may need people in those in between smaller cities to pick up stuff. Instead of them having somebody deadhead from a big city, they have you deliver it and to the larger city and then get transported somewhere else, and you can make a little money that way. All right. So we got people checking in from Facebook. Shout out to y'all. Sprinter van only. Nope. A lot of this information can be for cars. Tonquin can be for cars. So that Tonquin app that's on screen right now, this one, you can do this with cars and SUVs as well. So don't worry if you do not see stuff. If you think this is only for Sprinter vans or box truck, it is not. They do have stuff for cars as well. But the most money you can make is with larger vehicles. So if you do have a Sprinter, if you got the credit to get a Sprinter, I would advise go and get that, to go get that bag. All right. Wait on, you guys from ATL. Any other comments, concerns, or questions? Drop your comment. Hit me up on TikTok or Instagram at Credit K. And we are gone.